Hello everyone, I'm Nikita, Product Manager at Fogwing Industrial Cloud. I am excited to share the latest updates to our Fogwing CMMS platform. We have introduced some amazing features to make asset management smarter, faster, and more efficient. These updates include plant specific access for better security, enhanced vendor management tools, and upgraded work order functionalities to streamline your operations. We've also added powerful new features to the Asset Financials module and made maintenance easier with QR code based access. To give you all a closer look, I am passing it over to Prasad, our customer success specialist, who will walk you through a quick demo of these exciting updates. Over to you, Prasad.
Thank you, Nikita. Hello, everyone. My name is Prasad, and I'm part of customer success team. And today I'm going to show you all the new features and the enhancement that we have done in different modules in the latest update of Fogwin CMM. So let me quickly share my screen here and show you all the new feature that we have added here. So starting with the first feature, so the first feature is about the enhancement of the plant module here. So now by default, if you click on the plant module, you will be able to see all the plants related to a particular organization here. But now we have provided plant specific access to team members. So now team members will be able to only view and interact with the assets and the work orders and the MRO requests which are linked to the particular plants with which they are associated with. So if you go into the user section here in the user management, and um, if you click on add users here, you will be able to see a plant option now, which was earlier not available. So now you can, simply just choose any of the members here. And if you click on the plant section here, you will be able to allocate them or associate them with a particular plant so that they can only view that assets and work orders and the MRO requests related to that particular plant only. If you are not selecting any of the plant here in the user section here, as you can see, it is not a mandatory field here. The user will by default see all the plants as it is mentioned here, as it is visible here. So they will be able to see all the plants and all the work orders and all the assets and MRI request. And if you don't, select the plant section here. So this is the first feature that we have added, which ensures, better security and role-based access to particular team members into a particular team. So the second feature that we have added is the enhancement into the vendor module here. So if we go into the vendor module, and if you click on any of the vendors here, and in the contract section, now you can see there are different types of contract that we have introduced, which is the first one is the annual maintenance contract, and the second one is the comprehensive maintenance contract. So between these, you can choose any one of them. You will be able to now enter the contract number here, contract period, and the contract value. You can set the compliance goal here, and you can upload the contract, document here. With this, we have also included some vendor related more enhancement for the asset section here. So if we go into the assets and if we go into the financial section here, financial option here, you will be able to see two options in the top right of the screen, which is first one is the purchase. So if you have purchased the particular machine, then you'll be able to see all these options which is available. So you'll be able to add the purchase cost of the particular machine. Then you can select the particular date at which you have purchased this asset from a particular vendor or some different organization. You can enter the residual value here, lifetime, which are in years. You can enter the warranty, start date. You can also now you'll be able to select a warranty expiry alert, which will give you alert prior 30 days of the warranty expiry. So if you choose the yes option here, you will get an alert 30 days prior of the expiry date. And if this particular machine is being maintained by or handled by a vendor team, so you can select that particular vendor team here. You can select the options here, and you'll be able to select the contract number here. If it's not, then you can simply just click on the um, you can select the no option here. So the second option is the rental option. So if you have rented the particular machine, you can select this option where you can enter the actual annual rental cost for that particular machine here. Any of the cost you can enter here. You can enter the rent start date. You can select any of the date here, rent end date here, and you can select a rent renewable alert. So prior to 30 days, same as the purchase one, you will get an alert, and that way you will be able to plan accordingly by selecting this particular renewable alert here. So the next feature that we have added is the additional work order feature. In that, the first feature that we have added is added into the execute work order section. So whenever you are creating a fault work order, and if you view the fault work order, now you'll be able to see the downtime start and downtime end date exactly into the basic info section here. So you will exactly come to know at what time your machine went down and what time it was repaired and was functional again. With that, we have also added a miscellaneous cost um, um, feature here. So I will quickly move on to the engineer's login here. So if you move to the execute work order section here, and if you execute the work order here, so now you'll be able to see a miscellaneous cost section here. So if you click on the completed section, a new miscellaneous cost field is added to capture the cost which are other than the labor cost and the parts cost here. So if you if you select the parts, any of the parts here, for example, if you select uh, two of these parts here, and if you enter the number of hours here, and you can enter any of the miscellaneous cost here. And if you complete the work order, and once you submit, this miscellaneous cost will be submitted and will be visible to the maintenance work order here. So moving on to the maintenance manager's login here into the work orders section. In the completed section, if you view this particular work order, now you will be able to see a complete breakdown of the work order cost here, starting from the labor cost, the parts cost, and the miscellaneous cost. Now, the reason the part cost is not coming is that you will have to approve this particular work order here. And once you approve this particular work order and it's moved to the close section. So now here you will be able to see the total work order cost, which includes the labors, the parts, and the miscellaneous um, cost breakdown. It will help in financial tracking in terms of assets and engineers' labor cost, and also about the miscellaneous cost here. So that way, these are all the feature which is added into the new work order feature enhancement. And the fourth feature that we have added is the QR code based asset metering for maintenance engineering. So now, as you know that we have unique QR code for different assets here. So if we click on any of the assets, we have a unique QR code which can be used by customer um, and operators to scan this QR code and use the customer code to log in into a mobile-friendly page. Now the engineers could be able to do the same thing. The engineer would get a unique access code, which will be provided to them when the user is created, when the resource is created into the user management section here. So if you click on any of the user here, and you will be able to see an access code that can be generated for them, a unique access code that can be used by a particular engineer uh, to log in into the QR code, into the asset tracking feature by using this unique QR code. So now I will show you how the engineer would be able to log in using this unique
You enter the
access
particular
code here.
access code here. So once you log in using the access code, you will be able to see all the information about the assets, MTTR, MTBF value, all the detailed specification of the particular asset. You can also be able to see the history of the particular asset, what kind of work orders which has been pending and done. And you'll not be able to create an MRO request for this, but you can enter metering value here. So if you are want to enter any of the metering value just by looking at the parameters that the machine is giving out, so you can simply just enter the values here and you submit that value, and once you submit it, it will be visible into the Fogwin system.
Thank you, Prasad, for the fantastic demo. We are confident these updates will help you save time, improve efficiency, and make managing your assets a breeze. And this is just the beginning. We have even more exciting features on the way. So stay tuned. Thank you.